Hey, what is up YouTube? Demon Sparks here, and today I'm doing a small unboxing video of the bike motor kits I had ordered. They're supposedly 80cc 2-stroke bike engine kits that are complete with everything that is needed. Nicely packaged. Hardware, just the motor, and brackets, everything else. Got this heavy little 2-stroke motor. You got the rest of the hardware up in here. Here's the first little bundle of hardware for the motor kit. Here's bike number 1, bike number 2, outside. And I got the second package here. Got the second box of hardware and motor kit. So number 2 bike, second gas tank. Rest of the hardware. Let me get this motor out and cables. Okay, well, loose hardware finding in a box is never a nice sign. There's some holes, I hope I didn't lose any. So that's not exactly a plus there, but make do. Pull out the rest of this hardware.